have a lot of young talent in Pakistan. Obviously, there needs to be done some work in terms of like communication, in terms of the actual competencies involved in different tech stacks. And we've kind of provided a framework where we also do bring support, and we kind of also believe that we are all equal and we can kind of raise the voice, don't understand, have a very open, flat culture in which we kind of promote each team member to have the ability to say their opinions, speak loud. And that is, I think, the fundamental thing in building something in that kind of region, and also having something Danish. So there's a cultural bridge we have been working on, and I think that is a very important thing.
You should come with some recommendations for how Pakistani IT companies should address Danish companies. I think that one of the most important thing is that they are totally open-minded to this and accepting this flat structure. When they meet Danish companies, they prefer that you are open-minded, you speak your voice, and you stand your ground. If you feel that a solution that you think is the correct in order to get the best goal, because Pakistani people also have to understand that in Denmark we are brought up working a lot in groups, so we are first and most focused on getting to the goal, but in commonship, or I don't know whether it's the right word, but you know, in everybody works together to achieve the best goal. The only way you do that is by giving your opinion, and it will be accepted. So I think that's one of the most important advice I can give to Pakistani companies. But I think the Danish people, Danish companies, they have to be very precise that the wishes are: we need the flat structure, we need you to be open, and then they have to spend time on. And I think it's very important that you have to go to Pakistan to meet people eye to eye. One thing that I felt, which was a great relief, that's the humor part. The humor part is very important for some reason. Culture and humor is a funny mix. Yeah. But that was one of the things that I liked a lot about and made me feel comfortable being in Pakistan, because it's like in many other countries in that region, they don't have the same humor access as we have. But that was a beautiful bridge as well, and made me feel like more at home.
We also believe that the Danish side, in terms of the IT, Denmark is a very well-developed country. It has great technical institutes that produce some of the best talents in the world. So we can actually also provide that to some people that are not have the same kind of technical institutes or facilities, but they do want to learn. They are, so in that regard, I believe active collaboration in terms of development, also not only on a stakeholder level, will also increase productivity in the end.